Welcome to Teaching Tips for Preschool Parents. We are so excited to have your child join us at the Early Learning Village this year. He is going to learn and grow and play and do so many exciting things, and we look forward to sharing that with you. Now, we all know that children thrive on consistency, which is why we want to share with you the terminology that we use at school. This starts with the 5 steps. The 5 steps are 5 life skills that we want all children to work on during their time at the Early Learning Village. These are safe hands and safe feet, try your best, express yourself, play nice with others, stop and think. By using these words at home, you can help your child learn that these skills are not just to be used at school, but to be used throughout their life. Here's how you can use them at home. Safe hands and safe feet. If you find your child making good choices, such as handing you an item or walking nicely in the store, this is a great time to say, "Thank you for using your safe hands and safe feet." On the other hand, if your child struggles with hitting or maybe running when they shouldn't, remind them, "Please use your safe hands. This is a time for safe feet." These are great ways to help your child use these words. Next is try your best. We all know that children can get frustrated. Life is hard and they're learning new skills, but we want them to stick with them. So if you find your child getting frustrated or not wanting to try a task, encourage him to try his best. You can also reinforce this positively by recognizing the effort they've put into something. "I see that you tried your best at coloring that picture," or "I see you are really trying your best with your counting today." These are great ways to show children that the effort they put in is what really matters, and they will continue to grow in their skills. Express yourself. This is a time when children are learning how to use their words to express what they want, to express what they need, and to express what they're feeling. We want to encourage children to ask for help, to ask for a toy that they want to play with, or to ask for a drink. We want them to say thank you and I'm sorry and are you okay? At home, you can encourage your child by commenting on when he expresses himself well, such as saying, "Thank you for asking politely for a drink." You can also remind them, "Don't take that toy from your brother. Please use your words and express yourself. Say, 'May I have it?'" The more that you can encourage your children to express themselves with their words, the better off they're going to be. Play nice with others. For many children, preschool is their first opportunity to regularly play with other children their age. We encourage them to play nice with their friends, both in the classroom and on the playground. At home, you can remind them to play nice with their siblings, to play nice with pets, to play nice with friends. Using the words "play nice" helps them to remember that how they act at school and how they act at home should be the same. Finally, stop and think. We want children to consider what they are doing, to think about the choices they are making. Before they act by maybe taking a toy away or running off or dumping their milk on the ground, we want to encourage them to stop what they're doing, think about what they should do, and make good choices. You can use this at home as well. When your children might be acting a way you don't want them to, remind them, stop and think, how should I be acting? Should I be whining? Should I be taking? Oh, I need to stop and think about what I'm doing. By using these words at home, you can encourage your child to take the lessons that they're learning at school and apply them to life. We can't wait to share this year with your child and with you. Thank you for partnering with us, and we look forward to a great time together. See us again for more teaching tips for preschool parents.